Good morning, everybody. It's May 21st, 2020. I messed up and did not label how many seeds were in my pot. So out of a pack of 50, I got 3 passion flower sprouting seeds. The rest I think I threw away, and I think I kept a couple, but I didn't mark the container. So this is an easy way to find them. And there's 3 seeds. They're easy to identify because they're textured. And all I did was put a paper towel in my sink and just dump the dirt around the edges to dilute it. And actually I got a knife and just swirled it around, and the seeds are easy to identify because they are textured. What I'm going to do with these is I'm going to snip the ends off and see if I can get them to sprout that way. So if you make a boo-boo and you didn't put the number of seeds in your container, you can always do this to find them. And that one has got the white seedling ready to come out. So it's been over a year, and I'm just trying to save money and save my seeds. Happy planting.